Today, our focus shifts to the perspectives of various stakeholders, parents of autistic children, parents of neurotypical children, and the general public regarding inclusion in Pakistan. We'll delve into key questions. Do parents of autistic children advocate for inclusion? Are parents of neurotypical children supportive of inclusion? And importantly, what are the views of the general public on inclusion? Join us as we navigate these critical inquiries.
Let's now dive into the literature to see how perceptions influence inclusion. A study conducted in 2023 by Aftab, Haider and Shaukat examined cultural beliefs and stigmatization surrounding autism spectrum disorder in Pakistan. The researchers employed a descriptive research using a structured questionnaire to gather insights into the perceptions and experiences of parents and community regarding autism. The study included 35 participants from Lahore, comprising parents, guardians, community leaders, and professionals, offering a representative sample to explore how cultural beliefs influence perception, stigma, and exclusion. The structured questionnaire, which included a 5-point Likert scale, was used quantitatively to assess participants' attitudes, capturing insights into perceptions, stigmatization, and the role of cultural beliefs regarding autism. Data analysis revealed that many parents face emotional distress and social isolation due to negative perceptions. The authors argued that these negative perceptions form a barrier to inclusion, underscoring the need for culturally sensitive interventions and awareness initiatives aimed at reducing negative perceptions. This study highlights how pervasive cultural beliefs and stigma perpetuate the exclusion of autistic children in Pakistan, creating significant barriers to their inclusion in both social and educational settings. The findings call for targeted interventions that address these negative perceptions to foster a more inclusive environment for autistic children. The findings of Aftab and colleagues' study reflect a report published by UNESCO highlighting that in Pakistan, negative perceptions regarding children with disabilities are a major factor hindering these children from attending and being included in mainstream schooling in Pakistan. More recently, a study by Wilson et al. Explored attitudes towards inclusive education and autism-related stigma using a cross-sectional correlation design. Ethical approval was obtained and recruitment leveraged social media platforms and snowballing techniques for efficiency. Data collection involved 185 UK participants, predominantly female, with 52.1% being parents of autistic children and 47.9% of neurotypical children. Participant ages ranged from 20 to 74 years. Self-report questionnaires assessed variables such as demographic data, autism knowledge, attitudes towards inclusive education, stigma towards autism, and stigma towards parents of autistic children. This study revealed that parents' perceptions, particularly the stigma they experience, significantly impact their attitudes towards the inclusion of autistic children in mainstream schools. Parents who perceive higher levels of stigma tend to hold less favorable views of inclusion, which affects their support for inclusive educational practices. This stigma also influences their expectations of educational outcomes and effectiveness of classroom practices for autistic children. Moreover, the study reveals a difference in perceptions between parents of autistic children and parents of neurotypical children. Parents of autistic children report a high level of stigma which may not be understood by others, potentially leading to a lack of support for their children in mainstream educational settings. Interestingly, while parents and general public may hold negative perceptions of autism, students generally have a positive attitude towards children with additional needs and autism and inclusion. A study conducted by Farooq involved 89 students with special needs from 72 families from Lahore, Pakistan, including those with multiple impairments. It also included 135 teachers and parents from state-run schools. Data was collected through a questionnaire addressing attitudinal, structural, and organizational problems with high reliability. Data analysis using SPSS provided insights into the perceptions of students, parents, and teachers regarding challenges faced by students with special needs in mainstream schools. The study found that classmates of students with special needs generally had a positive attitudes towards them, and that the schoolmates of children with additional needs did not exhibit discriminatory attitudes. We just discussed some of the literature investigating perceptions of parents, community members, and students regarding inclusion. I now want to shed light on a very important misnomer relating to the exclusion of autistic children in Pakistan. In Pakistan, the terms disabled and disability are often laden with negative connotations, reflecting deep-seated stigma and cultural beliefs that marginalize individuals with disabilities and, by extension, autistic individuals. Children with additional needs not only face the challenges of their conditions, but also significant social barriers posed both by the perceptions of family members and by society at large. In many cases, individuals with limited empathy and awareness may socially stigmatize these children, with disabilities being perceived as a curse of God. Especially in rural areas where traditional beliefs are more pronounced, superstitions and religious interpretations often lead families to believe and perceive that a child's disability is a punishment to parents for past deeds or sins, thus framing the condition as a form of divine retribution. This perception can result in profound social consequences for children with disabilities, as families may experience shame and embarrassment. To protect their social standing, some families may go so far as to hide their children with additional needs from public view, restricting their interactions with others to prevent perceived damage to the family's reputation. This isolation can lead to a life of seclusion for the child, depriving them of essential social interactions, education, and opportunities for growing. In some instances, parents may adopt a prejudiced attitude towards their children with special needs, regarding them as inferior to their typically developing siblings, which can create an environment of neglect and limited support. As a result, autistic children in Pakistan often face exclusion from mainstream public life, limiting their access to education, healthcare, and social services due to the negative perceptions. This segregation further perpetuates the cycle of negative perceptions as these children remain unseen and unsupported, reinforcing societal misconceptions and prejudice towards differences and disabilities. Thus, deeply ingrained negative perceptions and cultural stigma surrounding disabilities in Pakistan create a significant barrier to inclusion in mainstream schooling and acceptance for children with autism, perpetuating their marginalization within both the family unit, the educational systems, and the broader society. The literature review uncovered a sad state of affairs with regards to perceptions acting as a significant impediment to the inclusion of autistic children in schools. The research discussed here shows that such negative perceptions remain a significant obstacle to the acceptance and inclusion of autistic children in Pakistan's society and mainstream educational systems. Understanding and addressing these negative perceptions is therefore essential for fostering an inclusive environment that supports both autistic children and their families. Currently, the literature review reveals that very negative or misguided perceptions among stakeholders are acting as major barriers to inclusion. So, where does this leave the inclusion of autistic children in the primary years in Pakistan? Stay tuned as we explore more barriers to inclusion and seek answers to this pressing question.